The International Harvester KB-2 pickup truck is a historically significant vehicle that represents the legacy of American industrial strength and utilitarian design. Built between 1947 and 1949, the KB-2 was part of International Harvester's broader K-Series lineup, which originally launched in the early 1940s. The KB series marked the company's return to civilian production after World War II. The KB-2 was a 3/4-ton pickup, positioned just above the KB-1, a half-ton version, in International's lineup. It retained the pre-war design language, with rounded fenders, a domed roof, and a pointed hood. A key styling update was the barrel-shaped grille with small wings at the base, which became a distinguishing feature. Despite its conservative design, the KB-2 remained competitive due to its durability and mechanical simplicity. Under the hood, the KB-2 was powered by the Green Diamond flathead inline-6 engine with 214 cubic inches of displacement, producing 82 horsepower and 160 pound-feet of torque at just 1,200 revolutions per minute. The engine featured a low idle speed of 350 revolutions per minute, emphasizing torque over speed, making it ideal for farm and utility work. With axle ratios ranging up to 5.11:1, the KB-2 was optimized for load hauling and off-road applications. Internally, the cab was basic but functional, with an adjustable bench seat, full instrumentation, and a symmetrical dashboard, which was ahead of its time. Available in 113 and 125-inch wheelbases, it featured solid axles with semi-elliptic leaf springs and Lovejoy refillable shocks, reinforcing its work truck identity. Over 122,000 units of the KB-1 and KB-2 were sold between 1947 and 1949. International Harvester, founded in 1902, was already a well-established manufacturer of agricultural and commercial machinery. By the 1940s, it had become a trusted name in truck manufacturing. The company continued to build light trucks until 1975, but financial challenges led to the brand's eventual disappearance in 1985. In recent years, surviving KB-2s have become rare collector's items. One restored example features a Chevrolet 327 cubic inches V8, modern suspension, and custom paint, blending 1940s aesthetics with modern performance. Another KB-2 remains in its original family since 1947, passed through generations, still active in car shows and parades. These trucks, whether restored or preserved, embody a unique chapter in American automotive history. The KB-2 isn't just a truck, it's a symbol of resilience, craftsmanship, and legacy. Whether remembered for its farm duties, wartime connections, or restored glory, the KB-2 continues to captivate enthusiasts nearly 80 years after its debut.